Hi guys! Do you know that succulents can also get sunburn? My name is Trisa with Chopstick and Succulents, and today let's talk about why do succulents get sunburn and how to prevent it. It might sound a little bit confusing because we know that succulents thrive in places where they're exposed to prolonged heat of the sun. And of course, we want to expose them to full sun because in that way we can make them more colorful. They can get sunburned when there is an abrupt change of their environment. Some succulents that end up to our homes were either grown in nurseries where the light is filtered, or they might have been sitting inside the store for a while. Those that have just been moved from shady location to direct sunlight are most likely to get sunburned. In order to prevent this from happening, they need to be acclimatized gradually. So start by giving them morning or late afternoon sun and expose them for short periods of time each day and increase over time. Are they going to die? No. Light burn will have some whitish discoloration on their leaves, while more severe burns will show some dark brown to black scars. If the sunburn is at the whitish discoloration, the damage can still be reverted by placing the plant back in areas with filtered light. But when they get to that brownish black scarring stage, then the damage is permanent and the plant has to grow out of it. Another factor is that some succulents are more sensitive compared to others. Let me show you our ledge that receives strong noontime and early afternoon light. I planted all the succulents here at the same time, and while other plants become more colorful, all the black aeoniums started to have pale brown scars. And as the plants on this ledge started to become more colorful over time, the black aeoniums slowly outgrow the sun damage by growing new sprouts at the center, and this time they are no longer sensitive to light. And lastly, they can get sunburned from water drops that deposit on top of their leaves. But before I proceed to that, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you find this video very informative. It's completely free. All you have to do is enter your email address. We have more videos coming up that are packed with more informations to equip you to successfully grow and propagate your succulents and even make arrangements. The water drops that settle on top of the leaves can act like a magnifier that can intensify the heat that it receives from the sun and can therefore cause some sunburn. To avoid this, try to water late afternoon or in the evening and water the roots and not the leaves. I hope you learned something from this tutorial and thank you for watching.